Hey there, it's Dave of FlipperForce here to provide a quick software development update on what we're currently working on in our FlipperForce house flipping software platform. So these monthly software updates are something I'm going to try to start doing to help provide a little bit of transparency on what tools we're building in the platform, but also provide some accountability for ourselves so that way we can hold ourselves accountable for getting these tools built for you in a timely manner. So I've got our software roadmap open that we posted to our website, which shows all of the tools and features that we've got recently completed, that we're currently working on, what we've got up next, and then what we've got planned in our software development backlog. So July and August are going to be an exciting month. We have a lot of new improvements planned that will significantly improve the overall functionality of our FlipperForce house flipping software platform. Based upon our user feedback, it sounds like the rental calculator, the BRRRR calculator, the materials manager, and the Quickbooks integration are the most important new features that you want us to add to the platform, and we're definitely planning on getting those tools and features built for you. But before we do that, we really feel like there's some existing tools and features that need to be improved before we start adding in completely new software tools to the platform. So we don't want to be a jack of all trades platform, master of none platform. So before we build out those new tools, we're going to be spending the next month or so improving our existing tool set. So in case you didn't see, we've already started to make some exciting progress in July. This last week we launched our new export to CSV functionality. So now you can export all of your expenses to a CSV spreadsheet file and then import that into QuickBooks if you need to. We also launched some new improvements to our project scheduler that improve the way that the schedule starter templates are loaded into the scheduler. So now you can select the exact start date that you want to load those schedule starter templates and then load those templates into the scheduler in a matter of seconds. And then this week we will be launching new print to PDF functionality for all of our accounting reports. So you'll be able to print your budget reports, your expense reports, and final profit statements to a PDF and then share that with your accountant if you need to. So next week after that, we're going to be starting on a major revamp of our task manager. So we'll be completely revamping the task manager, adding in new functionality for saving task templates and checklists that you can reuse on future projects. And then we'll also be adding in new email notifications. So our task email notifications, they'll send out a task notification if you've been assigned to a new task by a teammate. It will send out a task reminder and event reminders. And then we're also going to be sending out daily and weekly look ahead emails. So you'll always know what project schedules, tasks, and events that you've got going on during a day or the week ahead. So after the task manager improvements, we're going to be looking at revamping the document manager to provide improved file management. So you'll be able to add, edit, and delete folders and really kind of customize your overall folder structure and hierarchy in your account. And then we'll be also improving the cloud infrastructure that we utilize to store those files, which should hopefully provide a nice speed improvement and performance improvement on the document manager. And then finally, we'll also be revamping our expense tracker to improve the overall user interface and performance. Currently the expense tracker can get a little slow when you load in large data sets, so we'll be adding in new functionality there that will improve the overall speed and performance of the expense tracker. And then we're also going to be adding in new functionality that will allow you to import CSV files and then upload receipt images of your expenses. So once we get done revamping some of those existing tools, we'll finally be ready to start building out those new tools that you guys have requested, like the rental calculator, the material manager, and the QuickBooks integration. And we'll hopefully be able to start on those sometime in the middle of or late August. So if you need to track our progress, you can find all of our latest updates on our new features page, or directly in our app. You'll see a little lightning bolt at the top of the navigation bar, which will have a list of all of the latest updates that we've pushed up to our software. So I'm excited about the upcoming month of development that we've got planned. I think our software is going to undergo a pretty major transformation over the course of the next few weeks and months as we significantly improve some of that existing functionality and usability of our platform. And then I'm really looking forward to starting to build that rental calculator, which has been one of the most widely requested features by our user base for a couple months now. So if you have any feedback or thoughts on how we can improve the FlipperForce software, you can always go to our feature request page, and then our user base can collaborate and upvote on your suggestions to help us prioritize what we should build next. So again, if you have any questions or feedback or anything like that, feel free to reach out in chat, shoot us an email, or give us a call.